Okay, friends and family, the shed is sitting nice and proud. Came out really good. Here's what we're doing today. First of all, I'm not going to record this, but I have a mess here. A bunch of wood that I'll go through it. If there's something there to keep, I'll keep it. But other than that, I'll have to create a burn pile and enjoy it at the campfire. But here's what we're doing today. I'm focusing down toward the bottom of the shed. See that? See that on my beautiful shed? See it? See it? See it? Dirt. Not cool, dude. Let's go over here. Brand new white shed, and it looks like a pair of pants that your toddler would wear. So, all right, so it's just on the well, let me see here. It's just on the side with the soffit and where the water's coming down. It's obviously just coming down off of the roof, and you can see the water line where it's hitting. Like this, there's a nice line all the way through the length of the building. Up front here, we got the same situation. Not as bad because this kind of like tapers down, goes downhill a little bit, but you can really see where the water's hitting here. Now, I am installing gutters for two reasons. Number one, I don't want my pretty building getting dirty. Okay, that's number one. But number two is actually more important, and that is erosion. I don't want water coming off of the roof here and basically eroding the foundation. I want that foundation to be held in properly by the earth. And let's go get the stuff. I got a whole truckload of stuff. Can't believe how much gutters were. It's ridiculous. Gutters aren't expensive. What's expensive are all the little parts that go with it. The hangers, the ends, the everything. I got aluminum gutters. I'm gonna lay everything out. I'll bring everything over here. Let me go get everything. I'll show you what I got. All right, I got my truck here. Maddie's under it. What's up, Maddie? Say hi to everybody. Where are you? There you are. I can't see in the screen here. There. Maddie, you okay? Yeah, you're good. Okay, you stay in the shade. I gotta open the shed for him. Let him go in there. Okay. So these are the gutters. I got the 5-inch case style gutters. They're 10 foot each. Remember, the building's like 18 something. With the overhang, they're like 19 feet is what I'm gonna need for gutters. So that came out pretty great. There'll be very little waste. I got 2 downspouts here. Those are 10 footers too. Okay, and then here, we're gonna do something different. So those connect to the downspout at that end, and then on this end we'll connect it to other corrugated piping that's gonna be in the ground. I'll show you where that's going. Actually, I'll show you in a minute. So along with those gutters and downspouts and then the corrugated stuff, we have 2 ends here ready to go. Those connect to these elbows. They make 2 turns before they go into the downspout. Okay, we got some ends here. Those are the ends. I got right and left, 2 each. Got some white screws, total rip off. I got, what are those? Those are the hangers for the downspouts. And then I got 20 of these pieces of hardware that screw into the fascia board of the shed. Along with, there's a kit here for seams. It comes with the adhesive and the seam, because I'll have 1 seam, actually 2 seams on each side. Okay, so let's go over here. I'm going to show you what's going on with these guys. All right, let's grab one of these. I could illustrate it. I know I'm going to see that snake. I'm surprised I haven't already. I'll introduce you when I find them. Or her. Okay. Let me set it here. All right, first of all, see the slope here, guys? It's hard to show you what's going on, but it goes downhill. Yeah, that shows it pretty good. All right, it goes downhill and it actually heads right to that big apple tree. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here, and before we landscape, get me in the frame here. Okay. So we have our downhill going this way. This here is going to connect to the downspout. Hey, Carmen, what's up, girl? Where'd you go? Hey. Okay, this is gonna connect to the downspout about here, okay? And hello, Maddie. All right, you want to do some gutters too? Good. So these are flexible. You could extend them out like that. So I'm going to connect this side to the downspout that's coming down from the drain, and then this is going to go, it's going to continue maybe like 10 feet or so, if that. Okay, so I'll go get the backhoe and I'll dig a little trench and put some black corrugated piping in the ground so it'll just shoot out and continue away from the building. That's the biggest thing I want, is just get it away from the building. As soon as I get it over there, it'll just go downhill. Quick drawing, guys. I'm drawing right now the fascia board. This is super quick. All right, so let's pretend this is the fascia board on the shed, okay, from one end to the other, long edge. You do not want to install your gutters along the same plane as that fascia board. Actually, that's what you want, but pretend these two lines were parallel, okay? This line and this line. You don't want them to be parallel like that. What you want is a slight pitch to it so that the water will go downhill. Now, this is exaggerated, but you're looking to do something like that. So your gutter line would ever so slightly be pointed down the pitch so that the water flows all that way to wherever the hole in the gutter is going to be for the downspout. So I'm going to be using this here. This is a little pitch line level. Now it's level when that bubble there gets to right there, when the edge of the bubble is on the 0. This goes to 1/8. That means for every 12 inches or for every 1 foot, it's going to be a drop of 1/8. And then it goes to 1/4 for every foot, 3/8, and then to 1/2 every foot. So I just looked it up. I did a quick Google, and what did they say? I think I found it on this old house. First result really that came up was 1/2 inch every 10 feet. Okay, so if I go 1 every 20 feet, that's more what I'm looking at. I'm looking to drop 1 inch over the whole line of my gutter because my building edge to edge is about 19 feet. So I'll get close to that by, I guess, somewhere in the ballpark. It wouldn't be 1/8. It would just probably be like 1/16, which would be right about there. The edge of the bubble would be between the 0 and the 1/8. I'm going to go with that. So I'm going to get a level, or I'm going to get a string up on the fascia board and try to get this in the correct position, and then I'll mark it all the way down. has to say. All right, my beautiful wife has returned. Hi, Meg.
Hi.
How's it look, babe? Babe, how's it look, babe?
It looks good.
Yeah, babe. Hi, babe.
It looks great.
Good. Ooh, I didn't even think of this. Huh.
I like it.
See what I'm seeing, folks? See that downspout? It's gonna go, so I'm gonna wrap it around and have it come down on this trim instead of that one. It's gonna go on that one. It'll go down that side of the shed. Okay, no biggie. I did not plan on that.
When we did the front of the shed, when we did the roof, there was a little bit of a problem that we had that we didn't discuss yet. And that is that we found that the roof, or the shed itself, isn't 100% square. But it's close. But as we went down the roof, the problem compounded so that we have this overhang here. You can kind of, let me see if I can show this. So it starts at like 1.5 inch overhang, and it ends up being like maybe 2.5 inches there. And then we went up with it, and then it's out again at the end. So we want to have that all be symmetrical. The gutter is going to partially cover this, but it actually covers it to a point where it's going to be hard to clean out the gutter in some places. So we decided we're going to cut it now and just make it level with the fascia board, so it's all one length. So we're going to kind of have to cut at an angle, and it's going to be tricky doing it up there, but I think it'll be worth it because you can't really see and tell from this point of view, but when you stand back like by the road, you can see that one spot where it hangs down lower and it bothers us. So we're going to fix that now before we put the gutter up. While John's still working on the gutter, he's almost done. I'm going to show you something else that's going on around here. You may have noticed that on Friday we didn't release a video, and I'm going to show you why. The reason would be this right here. Yesterday we spent all day working on this. It's a sand filter for our stock tank pool, and it failed miserably. The top literally blew off. There was too much pressure with a 1 horsepower pump to feed and drain the filter fast enough. So it just had too much. Here's the remnants of it. We had sand, rocks, fiberfill. Like, it was going to be brilliant, and that's what we were going to show you, but it failed. So we didn't have anything to show you. So we're actually going to be abandoning this whole system, we think. We've talked a lot about this the past 24 hours. And we got a filter that is a filter and a pump combination that's going to go here by the pool. And hopefully we'll make it look a little more pleasing to swim in than it does right now, because I wouldn't even let the girls in because it's just disgusting right now. And we definitely need a filter. So that'll be coming soon, but until then, just know that you can't use a 5-gallon bucket to make a sand filter with a 1 horsepower pump to a small pool. It didn't work for us.
All right. It's not a long run. It just gets it going in the right direction. So 2 things. Keep it away from the building and keep it off the driveway. So as long as it's that way, I don't see it going up to the driveway. It's definitely not getting back up to the building.
It's not going to travel uphill. So.
No. So I just wanted to make sure, you know, if you have a regular like little runoff thing, it can like trickle down that way and wash out the driveway. You looking at me?
Yeah.
So if you just have a little spout and it shoots here on one of those dinky little things, it's like flooding all over the place, then it's washing out your gravel. So I think this will be good. I feel like almost backfilling here. To my tomatoes with the compost. Look at these guys. Look at them. Look at, that's my foot. Look at that. That was not long ago that I did that. Look how big these plants are. Ready? I'll get down to their height. Okay, look at that. That's the control. That little guy. And then, I mean, this is the other with the compost. Cool stuff. It likes those yummy things.
Look at all of our potatoes.
Let's see. Okay, cool. There's some potatoes popping up. These are ready, Meg. That's ready.
Pick it.
Want to have one?
I want a green one.
Okay.
I want this one.
You want to eat one raw? Look at that.
Hold on, I don't have you.
That's cool.
Look at mine.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
I like the bush beans. Well, let's taste them first. Ooh, there's a bigger one over there. This one might be a little too small. Hello.
Oh wow, that is so good.
Here, tread.
Those are so good.
See, when you're walking with Meg, she will stop sometimes and just, you know, kind of disappear, and then you find her in the bushes. What you doing, Meg?
IDing this tree back here with the berries on it.
Yeah?
It says it's a black haw.
A what?
No, now it said something different. Common privet.
That one right there with the berries.
I want to know what that one is. That one had really pretty white flowers in the spring.
Yeah.
And then I found a bunch of black raspberries down here.
Mm-hmm. Can you pick me a few so I could eat them?
Uh-huh.
Don't you love Meg's spirit? Look at her. I think we complement each other, Meg.
Oh, yeah.
How it's like we just always go for walkabouts around the property. It's fun. Go explore the woods. There's lots of stuff.
These you gotta get to before the deer, because yesterday I found this patch and the branches, like that one right there, the deer could reach that one and that one,
so
and they stripped it.
So the black raspberries, well, they look like your blackberry or raspberry bush, but they have this very silver bluish, what would you call it, Meg? The stem?
Yeah, the stem.
Its main stem is like
silvery.
A silvery blue
but when
color.
when you touch it, it turns green. It has like a white.
So it's got a chalky to it.
Yeah.
Chalkiness to it.
Mm-hmm.
And there's some of the berries. Stop moving. Nope.
Oh,
Nope.
sorry.
Just move. Thank you. Some of the berries are right there. Let me focus. Oops. Right there. I saw a berry. So Meg's right. See, I want to eat that one.
Which one?
There's one to your right there. Yep.
Right here?
Mm-hmm. There's one down below it too. Black raspberry, huh?
Yeah, they're hollow inside. That's how you know it's hollow
Come
like
on,
a
focus,
raspberry.
dude. There. Okay, so black raspberry. Meg's scavenging for some more. And she's taking one for the team. Like, she's in there, guys. This is where I pulled that bumper up out of the ground. But this is one of our favorite things to do. We just walk around probably once at least every 2 days or so. Would you say, Meg?
Not every day.
I said once every 2 days, so like every other day.
Yeah.
We walk around, take walkabouts if we have some time.
Yeah.
I want to eat this now. Oh, those are tart. I like the taste of raspberry and blackberry. The seeds, when you bite into them, I mean, it instantly makes me want a toothpick.
All right, help me out of here.
Let's see your thing. Let's see
Oh,
your
you have
score.
a grasshopper on your knee.
That's okay. You will get the point that I'm not grass. That looks great, Meg.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Let me get it closer.
See how they're hollow inside?
Stop moving. I'm trying to get you. Hollow inside?
They're hollow inside.
Yeah.
That's a black raspberry.
Try one.
If you pick it and it's not hollow inside, that's a blackberry.
Okay. Eat it.
Yummy.
She'll love that face when she tries something. Here. Come on. Oh. Hold her out of there.
Now that we have gutters on the shed, we can wash off this nastiness that happened because of the rain, right?
Yeah, just seeing how some Dawn works.
All right.
We got to get in there.
That looks pretty good.
Yeah, we got to get in there with a toothbrush, though. Okay, just wanted to see if it would come off easily. And it seems to. We'll do that after.
And now we're going on a search, right?
Going on a search.
We're going on a search. The dogs are going to come with us.
Yeah, that looks good, doesn't it?
The girls are at summer camp.
What?
They're the first day, which coincidentally happens to be our anniversary. 13 years, John!
That's it, baby.
So isn't that nice? We went out to breakfast together.
We
Haven't
did.
done that since who knows when. So that was nice.
That was great.
Yeah, that's looking much better.
All right, let's get a toothbrush later.
Okay, let's do our search. What are we searching for, John?
Rocks.
We're on a rock search, a rock hunt.
Come on, Maddie, let's go. Come on, Carmen.
We're gonna search over here, behind Pine Trail. You're not gonna get the butterfly, Maddie. We're trying to find rocks as front steps for the shed. Hopefully we'll be successful.
Here's one.
No, we're not using that rock. We're already using that one. We're gonna look up here.
had to go to the store and swap out. See that piece up there?
Yep.
It goes with the gutter and it just kind of makes it turn like under itself. So we had to go to the store. I thought they made a piece that took that and changed its direction from, this is hard to describe. So imagine this was squished like that and it went to this position. They could, but I didn't find it in the aluminum. So we're going to use these and just either morph the pipe a little bit. I think we should do that. Let's morph the pipe, okay? Then, so this will hang on the wall like so, and we will have the section of downspout start that way, and then we'll squeeze it to the other rectangular, what do you call it? The other rectangle orientation.
We're gonna wrap things up there because we are beat. And we'll do the other one tomorrow on the other side.
Transition came out good.
Yeah, it looks really good. I like it. I hear it.
Oh, that's a beautiful thing.
I hear it. It's working. Came out, John.
It's coming?
Yep,
Where?
right here. Success.
It's flowing.
It's flowing, baby.
It's probably like a self-leveling. I'm telling you, it smells like a porta potty. That stuff is just, whoa. Stinky, bro. It's gonna be very satisfying when we get a good rainfall. What is that?
Play battery.
What's this, Meg? It's not. Here.
What is that?
I don't know.
Oh,
Bomb?
I thought you were.
Bomb, 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 bomb. What, are you gonna arrest me?
It's not a bomb.
It's not a bum?
Anyone know what this is?
Yeah, what is that? What is that, fish filter?
And what's that?
What is that? ¿Qué es eso?
It feels like it's metal.
It's heavy.
It's got some weight to it. I don't think it's a bomb. Bird just pooped on me.
Meg was talking and all of a sudden she looks up. Meg, give me the look up you did.
What?
Bring it to me a little tiny bit.
I don't think so. I don't know.
I mean, I'm talking like 2 inches.
Okay, stop. Ah!
Hey, remember that time I hit the building?
Yeah, I remember that time you hit the building. All right, push this little guy in.